Welcome to Viroc's technical video for floor application. We'll cover support using screws or nails, mastic adhesive, and polyurethane mortar. Let's begin with using screws or nails. Prepare your base with the appropriate measurements and place the panels with 2 to 3 millimeter gaps. The gaps should be misaligned. Secure the panels with screws or nails using the appropriate dimensions for wooden or metal beams. Follow these spacing guides for either screw or nail installation. Job done. Let's move on to beam support using mastic adhesive. Apply primer on the beams, then on the panels. Add 3 millimeter thick double-sided tape to the beams and mastic adhesive. Place the panels while the adhesive is wet. Great. Now, on to continuous support using polyurethane mortar. Machine the panel edges with a 2 to 3 millimeter chamfer. Apply polyurethane mortar on a clean and leveled surface. Place the panels with 2 to 3 millimeter gaps and fill them with silicone or mastic. That's it. For more detailed instructions, download our technical files.